Looking for a kitchen powerhouse? Stand mixers make baking and cooking effortless by handling everything from kneading dough to whipping cream. Our guide to the best stand mixers highlights models that combine power, durability, and versatility, helping you create perfect recipes with ease. Starting at number 1, GE Profile Smart Stand Mixer. The GE Profile Smart Stand Mixer combines traditional mixing performance with cutting-edge tech for effortless baking and cooking. With AutoSense technology that adjusts mixing based on dough batter texture, a built-in smart scale for precise weighing, and Wi-Fi and voice control, Alexa should Google Home, it's engineered to simplify every recipe step. The spacious 7-quart stainless steel bowl and 11-speed motor handle everything from stiff bread dough to silky meringue, while features like a digital display, guided recipes, and automatic shutoff help ensure consistent results every time. Number 2, KitchenAid Artisan Series 5. The KitchenAid Artisan Series 5 quart tilt head stand mixer is an iconic kitchen staple that delivers reliable performance and lasting durability for home bakers. With a 5-quart stainless steel bowl capable of handling up to 9 dozen cookies, 10 adjustable speed settings for everything from gentle mixing to fast whipping, and a tilt head design for easy access to the bowl and attachments, it's versatile enough for dough, batter, and more. Built to last metal construction and compatibility with 10 plus optional hub-powered attachments, sold separately, make this mixer a true all-around culinary workhorse. Number 3, Hamilton Beach Electric Mixer. The Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer delivers reliable everyday mixing performance at an approachable price. Equipped with a 300 WR motor and planetary mixing action, it thoroughly mixes batters, doughs, and creams in its 4-quart stainless steel bowl, while 7-speed settings give you control from a slow stir to a high-speed whip. The mixer includes versatile attachments, a dough hook, flat beater, and whisk, plus a splash guard to keep your kitchen clean and a convenient tilt-up head for easy access. Number 4, Hamilton Beach Stand Mixer. The Hamilton Beach all-metal 12-speed electric stand mixer delivers strong performance and professional-style mixing in a durable package. With a powerful 400W motor, 12-speed settings for precise control, and a 4.5-quart stainless steel bowl, it handles everything from dense bread dough to light whipped cream with ease. The tilt head design and included flat beater, dough hook, and whisk make it user-friendly, while the pouring splash shield helps reduce mess. Built with an all-metal body and backed by a 3-year limited warranty, this mixer offers solid value for everyday baking and cooking tasks. Number 5, Cuisinart Stand Mixer. The Cuisinart Precision Master TM Stand Mixer SM50 brings power, versatility, and performance to your kitchen with its 500-watt motor, 12 adjustable speeds, and large 5.5-quart stainless steel bowl that handles everything from delicate batters to dense doughs with ease. Its tilt-back head included chef's whisk, dough hook, and flat paddle, plus a splash guard with pour spout make prep smooth and mess-free, while optional attachments expand its capabilities even further.